Stop studying right now. You are completely wasting your valuable time. Most students study the wrong way, wasting 80% of effort. Have you ever spent hours cramming only to forget everything later? You will learn exactly how to study effectively and save years. Imagine trying to fill a broken bucket that has holes everywhere. No matter how much water you pour, it instantly leaks out. This is exactly what happens when most students try to study. Let us discuss the biggest mistakes ruining your daily study sessions. Mistake number one is passively highlighting and simply rereading your notes. Studies show that rereading has a terrible 10% retention rate. If you read today, you will forget 90% next week. It feels highly productive because your brain quickly recognizes the pages. But simple recognition is not actual understanding or deep, true memorization. Watching a movie twice does not make you a film director. Mistake number two is cramming all your information at the last minute. Staying up all night forces information into an incredibly exhausted brain. Your tired brain treats crammed information exactly like worthless junk mail. It quickly throws it away because it knows you do not care. Students who master material over time will always outsmart cramming students. Mistake number three is studying completely passively without any active engagement. You cannot learn how to swim just by reading a book. If you jump into a pool expecting expertise, you will drown. Unless you actively engage, your new knowledge completely washes away quickly. Studying is never about time spent. It is about actual retention. Real learning happens when your brain is actively and heavily challenged. Let me introduce you to the highly effective learning pyramid framework. Reading a textbook gives you only a 10% retention rate. Listening to lectures gives you around a 20% retention rate. Watching a demonstration bumps your retention to a solid 30%. Actively practicing a concept skyrockets your retention to 75% easily. Teaching someone else guarantees an incredible 90% memory retention rate. Step one for smarter studying is called active recall testing methods. Instead of putting information in, force your brain to retrieve it. Pulling information from memory is exactly what makes it stick permanently. Use the Feynman technique by teaching the concept to a child. If you stumble while explaining, review those specific gaps in knowledge. Refine your simple explanation until it becomes completely and crystal clear. Top students never study more. They actively test themselves much more. Self-quizzing increases your final exam scores by 50% very easily. Step two is mastering spaced repetition and the dangerous forgetting curve. You naturally forget 50% of new information within 1 hour. Hack your brain's memory by carefully spacing out your review sessions. Instead of one massive session, spread it over multiple different days. Learn the core material on day one with highly focused energy. Do a quick 10-minute review session on day number 3 consistently. Test yourself entirely without any notes on day number 7 effectively. Step 3 is making studying an effortless and consistent daily habit. Most people struggle because they heavily procrastinate and eventually burn out. Beat laziness using the powerful psychological 2-minute rule habit hack today. Do not plan for hours. Just commit to reading 1 page. It tricks your lazy brain into pushing past the initial friction. Next, use habit stacking to connect studying to your existing routines. Review one single flashcard immediately after you brush your teeth daily. Linking new habits makes your study routine completely automatic and effortless. Avoid deep burnout by using the highly famous Pomodoro study technique. Study with absolute deep focus for 25 solid minutes straight today. Then reward your tired brain with a strict 5-minute resting break. Small, consistent daily efforts always beat last-minute panic every single time. Transform your bad grades and finally reclaim your free time today. Subscribe right now so you never miss another game-changing study tip.